Hey guys, today I just received this Mentech watch and I would like to share the unboxing experience with you guys, and I will go through the functionality of the watch. So let's have a quick look and then start unboxing and see what we got. So as you can see, here is the watch. Let's take it out. Let's see what else we got in the box. Some manuals, some instructions on how to set up the watch. So it comes with a magnetic charger and USB-C, which is really good. And then basically it will really fast clutch to the watch and very nicely and ready to charge. And a screwdriver in case you want to change the strap of the watch. When you turn it first time, it will ask you to download the Mentech Wear app in order to connect to your phone. So now let's try to install the app here. Once it's installed, let's launch it. If you don't have an account, you have to click Start Use, and if you have an account, you just click Login. And then you write your email. And then when the app appears, you will go here, scan the QR code. Then we go to the watch, and then we slide it here, find the QR code. And we start pairing. Once it's paired, we have to go to the watch and say OK. And the pairing is completed. And now we just say allow and done. In the app, we have different options. We can see our calories, how many minutes we have been running or walking, steps, sleep, heart rate, some exercise, the weight that we initially set, stress level, and you can see exercise. You can also exercising, and has GPS integrated on it. It will map the area that you will be running. Maybe if you are cycling or running, you can choose what is the activity you are going to do based on that. And here you can see that you are connected. You can change different look on the app. You can set up some notification, some alarm as you wish. And here, this is where it will be also display the messages, some records if you may have made, or you can adjust the settings. Before start talking about the future of the watch, I would like to say that the strap of the watch is very comfortable to wear and is very breathing in my arm. So it's very comfortable and nice and fit perfectly with my arm. The first cool feature about this watch is the display. You will always be able to see the time and the information display on the watch without consuming so much battery. And at the same time, you are not able to touch it. as you need to activate the button in case you want to go some settings, but like that. When it's lighting up, then you will be able to start moving it. So you can see, then you can do some settings from here, or you can slide from right to left to see different activities or your heart rate and information like the weather and so on. And then if you go down here, you can go simply to the settings here, where you will be able to set up the display brightness and different battery, Bluetooth, all kind of information here. And in case you want to change the different look of the watch, you can go here, or you can go to your phone and install different face from the store and install it to the watch. So when you're going to do some activities, you simply slide to the activities area and click more, and here you will have more than 100 different options to choose from. So it depends of your activity. You can find your activity here and then select and start. So for example, here if I will be going climbing, I can just click on the top of it, and then it will start immediately counting during my hiking activity. And then when you finish, you have to click here and then say done. The watch is also waterproof, so you will be able to wear your watch and go swimming or to the sea or in the swimming pool. But for this purpose, I will make a demonstration. I will put the watch inside the water and see how it looks. Now I have the water fill out, and we will make the test of the watch if it will survive inside the water. Then we simply throw the watch in. And give some minutes to see if any bubbles will come out. Looks very good. As you can see, the watch quite good inside the water as well. The watch also has more features, like by pushing the top, you will be able to see the activity data, the exercises you have been doing, your heart rate, your sleep schedules, and compass, and barometer, and so other stuff. So if you click on the compass, you will be able to see where you are located. Especially this is usable when you are hiking, for example. And then if you want to use the barometer, let's see also how it looks. There you go. And it will inform us about the atmospheric pressure and altitude. And this is the nice function. And it will, if you don't touch the screen for a couple of seconds, it will just go to the main screen in order to not to consume so much battery. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked my video. If you have any comments, please let me know. I will also put some links on the description of the video. You can check it out. And looking forward to your comments. Thanks. Bye for now.